Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by collecting the exact documents that prove your caste, identity, and residence. This prevents delays. Once you have Aadhaar, school or parent caste proofs, and a domicile, open Maharashtra e-district or visit the Tahsildar. Fill the caste certificate application carefully, upload clear scans, and pay the nominal fee. Make sure names and spellings match across documents. Mismatches cause rejections. After submission, note the application ID and move to tracking immediately, so you can respond fast if once submitted, your file goes through scrutiny and often a field verification by local officials. This is normal. You should be ready to present original documents and credible witnesses at short notice, and provide village or ward head details to speed confirmation. Keep phone lines open and check the portal daily. If they request additional proofs or an affidavit, act within 7 days so your file doesn't stall. Remember, proactive cooperation shortens verification time and reduces the chance of rejection. When verification completes, you can download the caste certificate from the portal or collect a signed copy at the Tahsildar office. Check every detail immediately. If there's an error or rejection, don't panic. File a rectification request or appeal to the district collector with supporting documents as soon as possible. A key troubleshooting tip: if rejected for proof insufficiency, submit an affidavit plus 2 independent local attestations and a community leader's letter to resolve disputes quickly and reopen the verification process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.